Hello YouTube friends. In this video I'm going to be showing you one way to design a mathematical model. Now this method can be found in Edexcel AS and A-Level Modular Mathematics S1. Statistics 1 basically. It's this book right here. Okay? Now what it states in this book is that to design a mathematical model, you have to first observe a real-world problem, and then you create a mathematical model based on that real-world problem. That's number 2. Then you use the model you've created to make predictions about how you expect the real-world problem to behave. The next step in this process, once you have this mathematical model, is number 4, and that is extracting experimental data from the real world. Okay? And that's going to give you outcomes observed and outcomes predicted and some stats. When you have that, you compare your predicted and observed outcomes. Step number 5. Okay? And step number 6 is you use stats to assess how successfully the model describes the real world. So those stats are going to tell you how successful your model actually is. Now the last step in the process of designing a mathematical model is 7. If required, you refine your model to ensure the predicted outcomes correlate with observed experimental data. Okay, so step number 7 is essentially tweaking and adjusting your model so it matches what you observe in the real world as much as possible. Alright, now there's a link to this image below this video. You can access it on Instagram, and if you've liked this clip, do not forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is below this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure the notification bell is on. Anyway, I'll see you around.